Now let's start with some basic plots. So first we will see what is plot x comma y. So using this feature we can plot any value, that is that, like suppose x contains some values and y contains some values. Now when we use the plot function, okay, dot plot x dot plot, so basically from here we get the x. So when we do that we can easily make the plot this way. Now this is a curve. How we got that? This is x equals to np, so this is we got for the x value and this we got for the y value. Here you have line width, like what line to use. Here it is 2.0 given, so that means the width of the line is this. You can also change it to 3. Let me show you. See, the line got more bold, more thick. So also here is a x lim and y lim. This is basically used like from here it starts from 0 to 7, for which it means 0 to 8 means it will go up to 7 and all, and here it is also going for to 7 with 1 increasing each step, and here you are giving that in arrange from 1 to 8. So this is basically happening in that way. Now comment the second part. We did the same thing here, but here the two more parameters changed. Here we gave the color is green, so you see that the color is green, and also the marker is O. So that means O specifies a specific kind of marker that is in this way, like it will give the circular shape like O, and like O filled with colors. So this is the whole thing over here. And here you see that it is the direct. There is nothing like that. It's a straight. It's a curved line. Now coming to the next plot is scatter plot. Now what is scatter plot? A scatter plot is a type of plot or mathematical diagram using Cartesian coordinates to display values for typically two variables for a set of data. If the points are coded, one additional variable can be displayed. So what it actually does? So you have some x values over here, you have some x values over here, and you have some y values over here. So what actually happens is that when you give the scatter function here, for x and the point that is referring to x and the similar like x of 0 and y of 0, it indicates a point, right? X of 0 and y of 0, when we both combine together, it indicates a particular point in this plane, so it gets pointed over there. Okay, and these are all the size, the color, okay, the v mean, the v max. So these are all the parameters. You can see what the parameters is actually doing by going over here. Now see is the colors. Okay, here v mean and v max are used in conjunction with norm to normalize luminance data. And anyways, so yeah, you can think that S is size and C is color, so in that way it happens.